Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Do It by Dwayne's Reliable Computer Services. Hello, so today I'm going to talk about a problem that I get asked about an awful lot, and that is how do I get the pictures off of my Android phone and onto my computer? And actually it's pretty simple. It's almost the reverse of the simple backup that I have in another video, and I'll include a link to that one in the comments down below. So the first thing you want to do is plug in the USB cord to your computer and then plug the other end into your phone. When you plug it into your phone, it's going to pop up and say, would you want to allow this to connect to this device? And you say yes. On the computer, a lot of times it'll pop that folder open already, so as it did on mine. So here it is. Here's my phone. It's listed under this PC, Galaxy A50, and phone. If it doesn't automatically pop up, it's very easy to get to. So you click on the file folder. When that opens up, you go to this PC, and as you can see, it's going to come up as another device and drive. I double click that, and there's the phone. Okay. We also need a place to put these pictures. So over here on the left side, I'm going to right click on the pictures, and I'm going to say open in a new window. So when I do that, I've got that open too. Now, if you remember from my Snap Assist video, if you grab at the top and move to the edge, it'll pop that window open on one side, and then you can pop the other one open on the other side. So just to be clear, we're on the Galaxy A50 over here, and we're on pictures over here. So on the phone, we're going to double click the phone icon, and here's all the folders that are inside of your phone. And the one that we want is called DCIM. We'll double click that. And then once you get inside that, you'll have camera. Mine has Facebook and screenshots. Some people might have Instagram and other things in there too. But we're going to just get the pictures that I actually took with my camera. So we'll double click that, and there are all of the pictures that I've taken with my phone. On this other side, in this PC pictures, we're going to make a place to put these. So I'm going to right click on the open space. I'm going to go to new, and I'm going to click on folder. And then I'm going to type in a name for this. We're going to call this from phone. Okay, so now we've got our place to put it. So I'm going to double click this to open this. Now it's as simple as just dragging all of these over to there. If you want just one picture, you can just drag one picture and it'll go there. If you want all the pictures, the easiest way to do that is to select all. So the way I do that is I click at the top, I'll hold down the control button and tap the A, and that says select all. Okay, as they're all highlighted now, I'm just going to click once in a blue area, and I'm going to drag them all, so you can see it's 116 of them, over and onto my phone. Now this will take a little while to do it, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now. But that's all there is to it. Again, if you want just one, you just grab a picture, drag it over. If you want all of them, you hold down control, hit A for all, and drag them all over. So that's it. It's a very simple thing. I hope this has been helpful to some of you. Leave me some comments. If there's other things you want to learn how to do, leave me comments about that also. Thanks for watching.